Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars' latest video for this Jaguar XF. This is a 2013 63 registered, one private owner. This is the S Premium Luxury V6 diesel. This is the 8-speed automatic, larger 275 brake horsepower version. Finished in special option satellite grey with the black pack upgrade, including the 20-inch black alloy wheels, black window surrounds, air diffuser, also the optional Jaguar aerodynamic pack fitted to this vehicle. Very good set of tyres, Dunlop fronts on 5mm of tread, and then Dunlop catch power rears on 4 and 7 meters of tread. The car is in very good condition externally. Keyless entry gives you access into all 4 doors. The car is equipped with a full black leather interior, or warm charcoal as Jaguar describe it. Meridian sound system with radio, CD, DAB, Bluetooth music audio streaming, USB and auxiliary. Electric memory front seats, which are both heated and cooled. Electric folding wing mirrors. Electric windows all round, cruise control, auto xenon lights and wipers. And the interior trim is the piano black. The car will be supplied with its full book pack, full set of tailored carpet mats, space saver spare wheel and 1 remote fob. Thank you for watching this latest video brought to you by Berkshire Used Cars, and should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch. Thank you.